Cyclonic storm Burevi is most likely to emerge into the Gulf of Mannar in the morning of 3rd of December and cross South Tamil Nadu between Kanyakumari and Pamban on early morning of 4th of December. Now, in view of the approaching cyclonic storm, cyclone warning has been mounted on the Pamban bridge in Tamil Nadu. So we're tracking all the latest developments, and Apurva, my colleague, is also with us on the phone line. Cyclone Burevi to make landfall tomorrow. Second such cyclone in a week's time that Tamil Nadu is really bracing for, and this after barely a week of Cyclone Nivar having left a trail of devastations in the state. Apurva, what is the current situation looking like? How many NDRF teams have been deployed? What all precautions are in place as we speak?
Well, in fact, Cyclone Burevi is just expected, according to IMD officials, it is expected to be at its maximum input around 3rd of December and 4th of December. That is when it will be crossing over the Gulf of Mannar and over Pamban. In fact, IMD officials have also raised signal warning number 7 across Pamban and signal warning number 6 across the coast of Ramanathapuram as well. Almost 17 NDRF teams have been deployed across districts in Tamil Nadu, including that of Chennai, Kadalur, Nagapattinam, Ramanathapuram, Tuticorin, Kanyakumari, Pamban and several other districts as well. All of the NDRF teams that have been deployed in across all of these districts in southern Tamil Nadu, most of them are already on works for relief. Teams that have already been started working on ground, in fact deploying people and moving people from low-lying areas, evacuating them to safer places. The state government also, remember, it's just 1 week since the state had witnessed Cyclone Nivar, and following Cyclone Nivar less than a week, and Cyclone Burevi is expected in a day or two. So the state government as well has been taking adequate measures to ensure that safety precautions are being taken. Not only that, the state government is also, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is also expected to conduct a meeting and give a press briefing on the updates that we'll be receiving as we get day-to-day information from the IMD officials as well. Officials are also saying that there is going to be extremely heavy rainfall across the southern coast, including districts of Ramanathapuram, Tuticorin, Kanyakumari, and across, there is also expected heavy rainfall across the other districts, including Chennai, Kadalur, Nagapattinam, and predominantly what the state government is planning is to minimize the losses, minimize the number of landfall and debris that the state will most likely see again. The Chennai Metro Corporation and the Metro Corporations from across districts have also been put into work to check that, to minimize the number of stagnation of water and flooding that can be minimized in the areas. So all of these works is underway as we are speaking, and the state is preparing in full mode ahead of Cyclone Burevi, expected to cross Sri Lanka and make its way towards Gulf of Mannar in Pamban.